At the bottom of your screen you see a row of icons. Sometimes you will see around 10 icons, but it could also be just 5 or 6, depending on the settings of the area. The 3 icons at the left are always there: microphone, megaphone and webcam. By clicking on them you will activate or deactivate them. When they are active they turn orange or yellowish. If you click on the settings icon and select audio and video settings, you can select which microphone you will be using and change the settings of the webcam. When your microphone is turned off, you see a red icon floating over your head, and also the mic at the bottom of your screen is red. When the microphone is active, you can talk to others in the environment. Not all users will hear you, only the users that are close to you. The further you're away from another user, the softer the voice will be. So a user on the other end of the virtual village will not hear you. When you are in a so-called voice zone, only the users that are also in that same voice zone will hear you. Users outside the zone will not hear you, and you will not hear them. More about voice zones is explained in another video. The admin can choose to disable these voice zones so anyone can hear you. That can be changed in the area settings. The megaphone button is something special. If you enable this, everyone in the whole area will hear your voice on a normal level. Also the ones who are really far away, except the ones in a voice zone. If you enable the webcam, it will show a small picture of you in the lower left corner, and it will also show a small screen attached to your avatar. If you turn your avatar, the picture will turn with you. So if you talk to someone, you might want to turn your avatar towards this other user, so this user can see your webcam. Sometimes it's also possible to share your webcam on a big streaming screen. Teachers and admins can always do this. Other users can only do this if this is set by the admin. This is done in the area settings at the permissions. Well, that's all about your microphone and webcam. Have fun!